Hey, in this video I want to tell you how to actually start making passive income online from an online business. I wanted to do this video because I get this question a lot. A lot of people come to me and ask how can I actually start to generate maybe passive income on the side of an existing job or an existing, for example, freelancing activity. And I always tell them the same thing that you will hear about in this video. However, first I wanted to just go over what is passive income, what do I mean by that, and why a lot of advice that I see on the web usually don't work. And at the end I will tell you why I actually believe that the method that I'm using to create or to start creating passive income online is actually the best for your success. So first, let me tell you a bit about what I mean by passive income. So it's all type of income coming from a business that is not linked directly to you working. For example, the sales of an ebook. So in this example, you will spend some time to actually create the ebook, put it online, put a sales page, put a chart, right, to accept payments, do the marketing, but then it's basically done. Right? The website where the ebook will live, it's basically selling it for you. Compare that to, for example, a freelancing or a consulting activity where you need to actually do the work for you to earn money. So that's not passive income. And what I want to say is that purely passive income online is like a myth, right? It just doesn't really exist in this pure form, right? There will always be something that you have to do. So even if you delegate a lot of things like posting, new blog posts or answering questions about the product, even if you delegate all of this, you will still have to manage your business, right? So unless you actually, sell the business or put a CEO to replace you, it will not be purely passive income if it is your online business. But we can get pretty close. And what I want to say is that a lot of advice that I see online when people are asking, how do I start generating passive income? Well, a lot of them are actually not passive income at all. I see people selling even courses about how to get started online, and they say that you will create passive income, whereas that's not the case. They just basically recommend to do freelancing, which is great, by the way. I still believe that this is the best way to start online if you need the money right now. However, that's not a great way to generate passive income because you will need to do the work yourself first, and until you have a decent size, you will need to actually still do that, and later, of course, go towards the agency model where you can actually delegate your work. But at the start, you will do all the work yourself. So therefore, that's not passive income. I think also a lot of people that are selling passive income don't actually focus at all on how to sustain it. They just say, put an ebook out there, put a checkout page, do some sales, and then it will magically happen and forever. That's not true at all, right? You need, of course, to maintain this passive income, right? Update the product, answer to customers, right? Do the marketing of the product. So that's everything that goes around it to just sustain this income that's coming passively. So now what about what I would say to somebody that is just getting started? How do I start generating passive income? Well, my best solution, and that's because I tried a lot of different business models over the years, is to create an authority website. So basically a website that is dedicated to one niche and just giving information about this niche. And at first, I would always recommend to monetize the website via affiliate links. Okay, so basically recommending somebody else's products instead of having your own products. And the goal with this is really to learn how to build a website, learn how to build an audience, so get people that are interested in what you have to say, and recommend them products that you used. Okay, that's the main goal at the start. And that's already passive income, right? Because with an affiliate product, you don't need to take care about anything, right? The sales, the customer support, it's all done by other people. So it's really, it's not something you can really scale, but it's a great way to start generating passive income. And then this authority website can evolve into something more. For example, that's what I did on most of my sites. You can then basically sell a product, sell your own product to this audience that you have, because now you have people that are actually interested in this topic. So you can now sell them products, digital products like a course, physical products, software, a lot of things like this. And then this little authority website that you built can really evolve into something much bigger. So this is, I believe, the best way to start generating passive income online at the moment. So just pick a niche. You can find a lot of resources on my site about that. Build a website that basically really answers questions that people have about this niche, like how to do certain things, how to use products, what's the best product to use for this particular niche. And then start with affiliate links. So you can recommend products that are on Amazon, other people's courses, for example, software, right? You can recommend all those things and then take that and make it evolve into something bigger where you will, for example, sell your own products. So to get really started, the most important is to set the niche, right? Before even starting building the website. That's why I put together a document that will really help you to select a niche. And you can just find this free checklist by following the link that is just below this video. This will take you to my site where you can actually download this list for free. This will really help you to just get started building an authority website and therefore start building passive income online. So this is already the end of this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. As usual, if you have any comments, please leave them below the video. And again, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.